Hi mga higala, this is your Maestra. My name is Judy. In this site, I teach Bisaya Conversational Cebuano. Our goal here is to help you converse Bisaya Cebuano in a short period of time and to speak like a native speaker. All the lessons here are broken down word for word so that it will be easy for you to understand and get the context of any phrase or sentences. The Cebuano language is colloquially referred by most of its speakers as Bisaya or Binisaya. The language originates from the island of Cebu. It is the lingua franca of Central Visayas, western parts of Eastern Visayas, some western parts of Palawan, and most of Mindanao. Cebuano speakers coming from Cebu are called Cebuanos, while those from Bohol are called Boholanos. And for those coming from Davao are called Davaoenos. Philippines consists of three major islands. We have Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Most people in Luzon are speaking Tagalog, the informal form of Filipino. They also have different dialects present in their region. The people in the Visayas and Mindanao, we are required to learn three languages. One is English, an international language. Second is our national language, which is Filipino. And the last one is our mother tongue. So, most people in Luzon could not understand and speak Bisaya. But for the people in Visayas and Mindanao, we can converse in Filipino because we are required to learn our national language. What language should you study when you come here in the Philippines? My usual answer to that is it depends on your lifestyle. If you think you'll be roaming around the Philippines, it's better to study our national language so that you can converse to everyone here. If you spend most of your time here in Central Visayas, then I suggest you study Cebuano. And for some areas, if you spend most of your time in Iloilo, then it's better to learn the local language, which is Ilonggo. And if you spend most of your time in Samar, I also suggest that you study the local language, which is Waray. For Cebuano, it's hard for us to converse and understand Waray, and maybe vice versa. Same goes with Ilonggo. We cannot converse or understand Ilonggo fully, and vice versa. For those Cebuanos going to Iloilo or Samar area where people are speaking Waray, we speak in Filipino so that we could understand each other. Same goes when we go to Iloilo, we use the national language. But if we go to Cagayan, to Davao, most people there speak Bisaya. And there is just some slight difference between Bisaya Cebuano and Bisaya Davaoeno and those people from Siargao or Surigao. But we could understand each other. So, to answer the question, first, you must identify your lifestyle and where you spend most of your time. Secondly, you should know the local language. So why study the local language? Basically, you are breaking the language barrier. You'll be able to communicate to the locals better and know their culture better. Now, let's go to our site, Cebuano101.com. In this site, all the lessons are categorized into beginner, intermediate, advanced, and grammar. In here, in every lesson, there is a downloadable audio file, downloadable printable PDF lesson files, and index card files. And at the same time, you have 5 study modes that you can choose from. We have matching games, learn, test yourself, spelling, and flashcards. At the left side, you can choose your options. So you just need to change the settings according to your preference. So the site has free 10 lessons, but if you want to go to another level and dig deeper about our language so that you can converse with your special someone, a relative, a family, then maybe it's the right time for you to subscribe to our affordable members access plan. I hope you will show your support and join the community. I'll see you around in the site, cebuano101.com.